Hello Leia users. In this video tutorial, we will walk you through how to edit the various components of your testimonial section. So let's scroll down to it. Reviews is what Leia titled it in this particular case. We've got a title and a subtitle. Just as all the other text and elements of other kinds in your page, if you tap on one of these things, you get this edit element toolbox with a bunch of buttons that you can use to style these as you see fit. In this particular video, we're just going to go over the specifics of how to edit your testimonials. By default, Leia provided us with 3 of them here. These are, just stock photos of people and fake names, right? And, fake testimonials. If you want to leave these in here, you're more than welcome to. It's definitely not against the law to do such a thing, or at least to my knowledge. Don't hold that to me. But obviously, it's best if you replace these with real testimonials from your customers. If you click on the left and right icons, you'll see that we can edit those, but they don't cycle through our images. If you're in the live view of your website, if you're actually looking at it as a user, you can use these to cycle through. However, if you wanted to edit individual testimonials when you're in the editor, you're going to tap on these icons down at the bottom to cycle through them. So let's go to our desktop view so we can see the full testimonials section and then do a couple of redesigns. So let's first click on the redesign button and see a new testimonial style. This looks pretty good, but let's check out a couple other ones because why not? It's free. Let's go to the one right before this. I kind of like that one. So just like any other section, if we want to add additional testimonials, we can click this plus icon right here. Let's say we want 5 of them. And then if we want to actually edit the individual testimonials themselves, it's best to go back to mobile so we can zoom back in. And you'll see that we have now 5 testimonials. So if we wanted to edit the last couple, we can just tap on them and it takes them here. So again, Leia provided us with just a standard stock photo with a unique testimonial and a name for somebody. We can replace this with whatever we want. Just like in all of our sections, we have these buttons to go back and forth. We have the edit background button, we have the delete button, and we have this edit code button that we can tap on if we wanted to edit the code of this particular section and we knew how to do that. But that's it that we wanted to cover in this video tutorial. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at heyleia.com/contact, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.